This is a 2017 on a 67 registration 718 Boxster. It is a very early 718, but it has the most exquisite specification. And as it turns out, these are now a very rare car, just a handful of options available in the UK car market today. And this particular car has a number of very special features that make it a great buy in 2026. It's 21,000 miles from new. It's got a full Porsche main dealer service history. And critically, this car has been covered by Porsche extended warranty up until about 1 month ago. So its whole life has been covered by Porsche warranty. So it gives you an idea of just how good of an example this is. It gets better. We've got full track pack PPF. So that is the whole front end is covered by PPF, the A-pillars and windscreen surrounds, the mirrors, the side skirts, and some small sort of stone chip prone areas around the back of the car. I will show you that again as we go around. It gets even better. We've got a massive specification. So the car is GT silver with garnet red leather throughout and a garnet red hood. So it's a really distinctive looking Boxster. And at the front, we've got PDLS Plus. These are the most advanced, most expensive headlights that you could have on the car. They're a beautiful darkened light with the LED daytime running lights inside the unit there, and the big LED function at the front. Front and rear park distance control. We've got chrome washer nozzles for the front headlight system as well. That's a cost option because otherwise they're just painted in plain plastic. The PPF, as you can see, you can probably see really closely, but it's this beautiful paint protection film just protecting all of these areas from stone chips, the whole of this front section protected. We've got these satin grey multi-spoke alloy wheels. They're a really pretty wheel again. That's a word I keep using on this car. It's very pretty. What a good looking 718 Boxster. Full coloured Porsche crests, that's a cost option. Guards red brake calipers, that's a cost option. As we come down, we've got the GTS Aero inspired mirrors. You know that because they've got a big hole underneath the mirror housing there. And again, a really, really rare option, which I think this is the first time I've ever seen this on a Boxster. This car has Comfort Access and Comfort Go. So that little cutout there on the door handle, that little indent, that's how you lock the car. You just put your finger on there and the doors will lock if the key is in your pocket. And you put your hand inside the door handle, the doors will open. As you can see, the key is on the seat there. But go inside and have a look at that interior. We've got garnet red leather to the seats. We've got that contrasted by black leather to the gear tunnel, the top of the dash, the steering wheel and the top of the doors. And again, really beautifully broken up by garnet red stitching throughout, or red stitching, it may be guards red, but red stitching throughout, contrast stitching throughout the car. So really, really gorgeous colour scheme. We shut the door there. Again, another really rare thing, painted rollover hoops to match the body colour, not plastic. There's that exquisite garnet red hood. And as we come around the back of the car, I love the look of a 718. They're such a cool looking car. Super practical as well with 2 boots, and I'll explain that in a second. The really intricate detailed rear lights, I think a lot of people miss that. You've got these beautiful LEDs that sort of hover, which reflect the light out when you hit the brakes. Porsche logo in chrome, 718 Boxster S model designation in chrome because it is a Boxster S. Sports exhaust tailpipes, so the sports tailpipes in gloss black. Rear park distance control. And again, we were talking about the PPF around the back. This little section here, which just covers that splayed area where stones come off the back of this rear tyre. It's all protected down there with paint protection film. I'm going to jump in now and run you through the interior of the car and some of the fantastic features inside as well. So again, look at this smooth leather on this whole door card. And it's such a big option. Huge amount of Boxsters out there. This is the sort of man-made, cheap, hard plastic. This car with its extended leather, smooth leather throughout this section and the top of the dashboard. We've got electrically adjustable, heated and folding door mirrors. We've got stainless trim, stainless sort of silver trims across the whole of the door cards, door handles, and again down here on the tread plates as you get in and look at the condition, barely a mark on that tread plate. And if I fire the car into life, I have the key here. Because it is keyless, this always stays in the car. So I just turn that, bring that flat 4 to life, I've got the multifunction GT steering wheel here, which is a really lovely feature. And if I bring the steering wheel out and get myself in a really great driving position, we've got your multimedia controls on the right-hand side of the wheel. I can adjust this. The speed limit display is a lovely option, but I can adjust everything on this display using this whiz wheel. And then, as I say, phone connectivity, you've got Bluetooth functionality on the top of the steering wheel, and over here, volume for the multimedia stereo, everything controllable on the steering wheel. 2 massive metal shift paddles for your PDK twin clutch gearbox here, they're lovely, and a heated steering wheel, which is this button hidden down here, which turns the heated steering wheel on. Cruise control on this lower stalk down here. And as we move across into the dashboard, again, some really nice touches. Being a 718, this car has Apple CarPlay, so if you plug in, you have Apple CarPlay on this particular vehicle, making it very, very usable. And if I pop the car into reverse, you will see the park distance control sort of dynamic display populate onto the screen, showing your front and rear park distance control. We've got lovely climate control down here, so you can adjust the temperature and obviously just the fan speed, and then again heated seats for driver and passenger. As we come down the gear tunnel, the wing itself, if I press this button, you will see that that rear wing has now deployed and has gone up. That will also deploy at speed, and we've got a sports mode and an adaptive suspension mode here to change the way the dampers work, stiffen the car up for more performance. And the final thing that I'm going to do is run the roof, and because it's a 718 Boxster, the roof doesn't fold away into any panel, it's always behind the seats, so it's so fast. I'll let the windows come up. Another thing I didn't mention, we've got leather to the A-pillars here as well, which again is a very nice cost option. If I just jump out and very quickly summarize the car, one thing I missed, really cool feature. Alloy style filler cap. Again, a lovely cost option. So this is a really, really special 718, a very unusual car. Look at that roof now, it's up, it just works. It's such a great color scheme. Very low mileage, a very rare car, under Porsche warranty until about 1 month ago. So its whole life being covered by Porsche extended warranty and a full Porsche main dealer service history and the track pack PPF. What more can I say?